In today's video, you're going to learn how to use Descript's speed reading feature, something that can really boost your productivity, whether you're transcribing or reviewing content at lightning speed. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this feature works in just a few simple steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually use Descript for free with some amazing bonuses through the link below. So if you're not already using it, don't miss out on the extended trial. Now let's get started. First things first, if you're new to Descript, it's a tool that's designed to streamline your video and audio editing by transcribing your content into text. Now let's talk about speed reading. Descript's speed reading feature allows you to quickly review and navigate through transcriptions without getting bogged down by every single word. Once you've uploaded your audio or video file to Descript, the software will automatically transcribe it into text. You'll see the transcript in the editing window, and from here, you can activate the speed reading feature. You'll find this feature in the playback controls. To use it, simply hit the play button, and once the transcript starts playing, you'll notice a little speed control option. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust the speed from a range of 1x all the way up to 2x or even higher. If you want to power through a transcript quickly, just bump up the speed. But don't worry, you can always adjust it to your comfort level if you find the pace too fast or too slow. What's awesome about Descript's speed reading feature is that it's designed to sync perfectly with the text. So as the words are read out loud, they highlight in real time. This makes it super easy to follow along and absorb the content at a faster pace. For those of you who are audio and video content creators or marketers, this can be a game changer. You can easily digest long interviews, podcasts, or video scripts in record time without having to pause or rewind constantly. But here's the key. Descript allows you to adjust the speed on the fly. This means if you're going through an interview or podcast, you can slow it down to catch any important details or speed it up when you're looking for specific points. It makes the whole experience seamless. This feature isn't just for casual users, it's perfect for people who need to be efficient. If you're someone who needs to get through a lot of content quickly, whether it's for editing, reviewing, or learning, Descript's speed reading feature helps you do that without the frustration of traditional transcription tools. Another cool tip, you can combine the speed reading feature with Descript's overdub feature, which allows you to edit your voice recordings. This is perfect for content creators and digital marketers who want to rapidly iterate on their content without spending hours editing. You can quickly read through your transcript, catch errors, and even modify the text to make it flow better, all with just a few clicks. So, if you're new to Descript and haven't explored this feature yet, you're going to be amazed at how much faster and more efficient your workflow becomes once you get the hang of it. The speed reading feature isn't just a luxury, it's a must-have tool for anyone who works with audio or video content regularly. Remember, Descript isn't just for pros, it's designed to be easy for anyone to use, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with experience. And the best part? You can get started completely free and even unlock some extra bonuses if you use the link in the description. Now, as a quick recap, here's what you need to remember. Descript's speed reading feature allows you to adjust the playback speed to review content faster. The text is synced with the audio, so you can follow along effortlessly. This makes it perfect for editing, transcribing, and consuming content efficiently. If you want to experience Descript's speed reading feature for yourself, don't forget to grab your exclusive and extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.